Hello everyone. Before we start to answer the question that has given by the lecturers, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Feral Haris Surasena,
And my name is Alicia Rizkita Maharani.
and now let's start with the part 1. In part 1, each student will choose two different questions, then answer each question that we choose. Okay, in part 1, I choose the question number 4 and 5. Asya, can you read the question?
Okay, question number 4 for Farrell. Can you give the solution for the following situation? People often feel stressed at work and become unproductive.
Okay. I think when people feel stressed and become unproductive, it's because they need to refresh for a while. Like taking 15-minute breaks can be solution for that. While taking breaks at work, you can socialize, take a nap, or do something that makes you relax. This is important because taking a break at work can refresh your mind, give more balanced emotional health, and lead you to higher productivity. Expert recommends taking breaks between every 20 minutes to 90 minutes.
Okay, next question is question number 5. How would you reduce the pollution in Jakarta?
Maybe the thing that I can do to reduce pollution in Jakarta is change my habit of using private vehicles to using public transportation like Transjakarta, MRT, or maybe Jacklingo. With changing the habit, I can participate in reducing the pollution in Jakarta. This might be the solution for everyone in Jakarta. If everyone does this, the pollution in Jakarta will be better, and this can lead to a sustainable environment. Okay, for the next, Asya choose the question number 1 and 2, and the question is, what useful skills have you learned in your life? Uh, Please elaborate on them.
Okay, actually, there are so many useful skills that I have learned in my life. But if I had a chance to choose which skills are most useful, they are communication, public speaking, and also design. I choose these three skills is because those are three skills that I am currently working on, and I really enjoy learning it, especially design. Because since I was a kid, I was good at drawing, so that's the reason that I really like design. And two other skills are useful because in my life now and in the future, I really need these two things in the job prospect that I want.
Okay, the next question is, have you ever spoken to a large group of people? Please explain.
Okay, yes, I ever spoken to a large group of people. Is when I was in the middle school, I ever joined a organization at school, and I get opportunity to be a MC at an event, and I think that was an unforgettable experience that I ever did, and I of course euphoria and when everyone is watching, I really it's really fun.
Okay, that's it. I think. Thank you.
Thank you.
And now let's move on to part 2. Okay, in part 2, each student will choose a photo to describe. And in this part, I choose this photo to describe. Okay, in the photo, we can see this is a movie poster for the Watch and movie. And it's played by Simon Peck and Nick Frost. At the top of the picture, the director of this movie is Edgar Wright, the same director of Shaun of the Dead and Hot Fuzz. Uh, Fun fact, the comedic duo Simon Peck and Nick Frost also play in that movie. In the picture, that is a lot of strange thing. So I can conclude the genre is science fiction. That's all from me. Maybe next Asya can describe her photo.
Okay, in part two, I choose this photo to describe. Okay, in that photos that there were 3 boys and 1 girl, and they were students, and they were capturing moment in their college. And also in that photos, we can see that they wear togas, embracing each others, and smile happily for their college graduation. And in that photo, we can conclude that they are full of happiness, full of joy, because they are finally graduate after a long journey. Okay, and that's all explanation from me. Thank you for watching.
Okay, and now let's move on to part 3. Okay.
Bye.
Hello everyone. In part 3, we will talk together about the scenario and consider all the factors. This is the scenario. Okay, now Asha will first explain the factor.
Okay, the first one is health. I agree with this factor can make a stressful situation because health can cause stress. For example, when someone gets sick, they will definitely feel afraid and feeling anxious about their condition, and we can conclude that in this situation it can be stressed out.
Okay, and I think health issues can be a significant factor leading to stressful situation. Being sick or having health issues can make you feel stressed because it can be uncomfortable.
Okay, next one is money. I totally agree with this factor because I think everyone knows that every money is everything for somebody, and if we didn't have money, that situation can be stressful.
Uh, I agree with this factor can make you stress. Like for example, in Indonesia lately, many people suicide because they have financial problem in their life. So finding practical ways to manage your financial is a must to avoid financial problems.
Okay, the next one is thinking about the future. This factor can make a stressful situation if we think too much about our future, even though it hasn't happened yet. And if it happens, but it doesn't match our expectation, we can feel more stressed out.
And I think this factor will only affect people who doesn't plan his future. Because not knowing what will happen to you in the future is stressful. So planning for the present can be a solution for avoiding the stress.
Okay, next one is family. I kind of disagree with this factor because I really heard that this factor can make stress. But in fact, family is a stress relief and can make yourself feel comfortable and calm. But somehow, some people who have family issues maybe can relate and get stressed out from this factor.
I think this factor is only can affect certain people, maybe someone who have family issues. I agree with this factor can create stressful situation because I know someone who experienced this, and I think someone who experienced this need help from the expert, maybe like psychiatrist, because they are depressed.
Okay, the next one is work or studies. I totally agree with this factor because everyone knows that this factor is the most stressful, especially if you are a student. And in fact, this factor can make us feel tired and heavy.
As a student of university, I agree with this factor can create a stressful situation because I experience it myself. It is stressful if all my exams aren't done and the deadline are close. So I think I agree with this factor.
Okay, in my opinion, I think the most stressful factor is from work or studies and money. Like I said before, work or studies, almost everyone experience this situation, including me. And also money can affect some people who have financial problem in their life, so it can be stressful.
And I think the factor that make the most stressful situation is family issues and financial problem. Because many people hurt themselves because they depressed because of that issues. These two factor is the most matters to people who experience that. That's why they can be stressed or depressed because of that issues. So that's it from us. Bye bye.
Bye.
Now let's move on to part 4. Hello everyone, for the last part of the exam, which is part 4, we will choose a question to discuss. A question that we choose is, tell us about an exciting experience you have had. The first one is my experience. My exciting experience is when I was driving a car for the first time. I've been waiting that moment from I was 10 because I like cars from I was a kid. My father is the one who make me love cars because he is a former racer back in the 90s. So he introduced me to car culture from I was a kid until I grow up like this. And now I like cars. I like anything about cars. That's why when I was 19, this experience is so special for me. Cause I wait this moment from I was a kid. This is the one of the memorable moment in my life. I think that's it. Asya can do the next experience. Her experience.
Okay, next is my turn. I will tell you one of my exciting experience that I ever had. Okay, that experience happened when I decided to go on vacation with my sister to a city that I've never been to before. And the first one in 2022, we decided to go to Bali, and we're there for like almost 2 weeks. And when we're there, we go to many places, but I think mostly we go to many beach, and also we go to many town. We go to many town like Jimbaran, Pandawa, Kuta, Canggu, and also Seminyak. And of course, so many things to do in when we're there, but that's why I like to traveling, because I have opportunity to meet new people, new culture, and new place that I never go to before. And that's one of my exciting experience, and I really exciting, and I hope I can go back to Bali sometimes. And I think that's of my explanation.
Okay, that's it from us. That's it, our exciting moments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.